Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sonu Kumar Pandit. So guys, today I am going to discuss about the most important Java interview questions. Many friend is asking, many viewers, subscribers is asking which types of question nowadays is interviewer are asking. That's why I thought I should share some important questions. So during the class institute, I have already attended so many interviews online, offline, and walking interview. I have already compiled all this interview question in one notebook, and those things I am going to share in this video. If you are watching, please don't miss this video, and please like, subscribe, and share with friends. So guys, today if you will prepare these types of question, definitely you will get selected. Interviewer definitely will ask, definitely these types of question interviewer ask 100%. I can say, if you will prepare this question, only you have to watch, only you have to understand, you have to try to reply, answer all the questions. Now in this video I am not going to talk about the answers, only I will discuss on the question, which types of question they are asking. If you are interested, if you want to answer, if you want answer for my side, then you have to comment in comment box and share and subscribe my channel. If you will comment, then next video I will make with questions and answers. So guys, please make sure, if you are watching this video, please like. So guys, I am going to discuss our point. Just you can say Java interview question. I am today most important and frequently asked question by interviewer in real time. This is my real time, this is my experience. Those things questions I am going to discuss in this session. First question is, you can see here, what is Java? This is most popular question. If you are Java developer, if you are full stack Java developer, interviewer first time it will ask, what is Java, what is the purpose of Java, when Java is came exist in market, what is purpose, who is founder of Java. This type of question interviewer asked. So guys, second question I have written, you can say, the what are the difference between JDK, JR and JVM. What is different? It is also most popular question. Any interviewer directly will ask without thinking, what is difference between JDK, JR and JVM. You can see also I have mentioned all the images for your understanding those. So only in this session I am telling only question. If you want answer, please comment in comment box, and also you should try stop the video and try to reply all the try to answer all the questions in this session. This is my third question. Explain the difference between double equals and dot equals method in Java. It is also most popular questions. You can see in image I have mentioned all thing, everything. Fourth is, what is the difference between abstract classes and interface? It is also good question. It is a highly recommended question. Any interview direct it can ask. And when would you use the over the others? You can see here. Just fifth question is, what is the purpose of a statics keyword in Java? What is a statics keyword? What is a statics class? What is a statics methods? You have to prepare because it is also most important. Explain the concept of exception handling in Java. This is also most. What is exceptional handlings? How to handle the exception? How many types of exception in Java? You have to prepare. So what is the what do you use the try catch and finally block? This part you have to prepare. What is the difference between checked and unchecked exception in Java? It is also most important. What is checked and what is unchecked? You can see here. Checked exception example and unchecked exception I have already written in this image. 8 number, how does Java handle multi-threading? Explain the difference between threads and processes. This is also most important. What is a multi-threading? Interviewer can ask what is a multi-threading, and this question also it will include. What is the difference between a string buffer and a string builder in Java? It is also most important questions. My 10th question is, how does Java support polymorphism? Explain within the example. How does Java support polymorphism? You know already what is polymorphism. How can you see it is polymorphism? You can see just only for example, this is one person. Person may be employee, maybe doctor, maybe a student, maybe HR, maybe worker, maybe parents. This is polymorphism concept. What is the difference? My 11th question, what is different between method overloading and method overriding? It is also most important question. Method, what is method overloading and method overriding? My 12th question, what is the use of the final keyword in Java? How does it difference from finally? Next is explain the concept of inheritance in Java. How do you achieve multiple inheritance in Java? It is also most important questions. 14th number, what is the access modifiers in Java? Explain the visibility of it. What is expire? There is four types of access modifier in Java: private, default, protected, public. How do you implement singleton classes in Java? Singleton in I have already seen, I have already faced in so many interview. Interviewer direct ask what is singleton classes, what is a factory method. You have to prepare, you have to remember this. What is singleton and what is factory method is also most important. What is the difference between array list and linked list? This is parts of collection. It is also most important. Any interviewer or direct ask what is difference between array list and linked list? What is list and map? Difference between. Explain the concept of Java bean. What is Java beans? It is also most important questions. Java beans. How do you handle input and output in Java? Explain the use of input stream and output stream. How to, my 18th questions is how to handle input and output in Java. Explain the input stream and output stream. You have to also remember what is the purpose of input and output stream. What is input stream? What is output stream? What is the purpose of the transient keyword? Transient keyword, it is also most important. It is keywords questions you have to remember. Just you should remember. Explain the difference between throw and throws in Java exception handling. This is also most important. What is difference between throw and throws, and what is difference between why we are using try catch and what is why we should use when we should use throws? Means try catch, why if we have already try catch, then why we should go for throw? You have to also prepare you and different. So guys, I hope this is very helpful for you. If you want questions with answer and fully concept with methods, then you should comment in comment box. I will make next video fully and questions with answers. It is very helpful. So guys, thank you. We'll see in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.